TST-14J Bonus Jet. The TST-14J Bonus Jet prototype is a lightweight sailplane intended for cross-country soaring and cruising flight. Helping it launch by itself is a PBSTJ-100, a relatively simple jet engine that weighs a light 45 pounds and produces 240 pounds of thrust. As the name suggests, the aircraft uses a modified TST-14J glider body with a fuselage installed behind the two-seater cockpit where the engine has been placed. Once the sailplane successfully lifts up at a high altitude, the pilot can have the jet fold down into the pod with the retractable doors automatically closing to keep it outside. Phase 1 testing for the jet-powered sailplane has already been completed with the team declaring all systems to be functioning correctly. During its lone flight, the glider successfully launched itself, climbing at over 900 feet per minute. 2. Rega. Rega was founded on April 27, 1952 by Rudolf Bucher, who believed that the Swiss rescue service needed a specialized air branch. Rega mainly assists in mountain rescues but also operates in other terrains when necessary, especially in life-threatening emergencies. Rega also provides a repatriation and medical advice service for members who experience a medical emergency while abroad and local treatment is not available. Also aids alpine farmers during the summer months in rescuing livestock and retrieving dead animals. All Rega helicopters carry a crew of 3, a pilot, an emergency physician, and a paramedic who is also trained to assist the pilot for radio communication, navigation, terrain object avoidance, and winch operations in some situations such as evacuating cable cars or retrieving injured climbers from a rock face. The crew also consists of a specialist trained by the Swiss Alpine Club. Overture. The Boom Overture is a proposed passenger supersonic airliner with 7,870 kilometers, 4,890 miles of range, which is planned to be introduced in 2029 by Boom Technology. The company claims that with 500 viable routes there could be a market for 1,000 supersonic airliners with business class fares. It had gathered 76 commitments by December 2017. The aircraft is planned to have a delta wing configuration similar to the Concorde, but will be built with composite materials following a redesign revealed in 2022. It is intended to be powered by 4 dry non-afterburning 15,000 to 20,000 lbf, 67 to 89 knots turbofans. Regulations for takeoff noise for overland boom can be met or changed. Vision Meta BA Thesis. This is new concept of new future technology. Meta is one of mind-blowing car concept. Vision Meta BA Thesis during my study at Kharkiv State Academy of Design and Arts, Ukraine. Hope you will enjoy it. This is Vision Meta BA Thesis by Anatoly Sizov on Vimeo, the home for high-quality videos and the people who love them. Tech Innovation Inno Make. The Tech Innovation Inno Make was developed to make everyday life safer for visually impaired and blind people through intelligent obstacle detection. Inno Make can also facilitate the work of safety organizations. The warning system built into the shoe includes distance sensors for detecting foot movements, a vibration unit, an ultra-bright LED, and a processing unit, as well as a wireless connection to a smartphone. The built-in electronics and battery are mounted in a water and dust-resistant casing at the front of the shoe. When obstacles are detected, the warning system provides pre-selected feedback. This feedback can be haptic, vibration, acoustic, or visual. The vibration feedback is provided directly in the shoe, which allows you to feel if there is an obstacle in front of you. You can also use Inno Make without primary tools in familiar safe environments, e.g. at home or at work, so that both hands are free. Capra Robotics. Capra Hercus is a maneuverable outdoor mobile Robot based on Capra Robotics' patented chassis is designed to easily carry different types of loads due to its flexible chassis and large engine power. It can be used for numerous types of tasks in uneven terrain as well as in urban areas. The outdoor robot comes with the direct interface to its ROS 2 operating systems, which makes it easy to connect additional equipment to the robot via the built-in remote connection concept of new technology. It is possible to automatically control the robot to a given target. Automatic driving with the robot can be done from control systems based on the VDA 5050 protocol, where the robot follows the given path. Capra Robotics, one of best robot of future. Elon Road. The transportation of people and goods needs to become sustainable. Battery prices, lack of raw materials, and immature charging infrastructures are slowing down necessary development. There is an urgent need for a green and lean charging infrastructure to move our world forward. Elon Road is a high-tech electric road system that auto-charges electric vehicles both while driving and when parked. It aims to electrify the entire transport sector and make fossil fuel a thing of the past. Its implementation will enable the electrification of vehicles just like fiber has done for digitalization. Elon Road can contribute to reducing road transport CO2 emissions by up to 50% within 10 years. The mission is to transport people, goods in a safe, fast, and energy-efficient way by delivering a green charging infrastructure. Elon Road builds smart electric roads that can be used by all kinds of electric vehicles, cars, trucks, and buses. Sunswift 7. UNS engineering students attended a Guinness World Record with their Sunswift 7, securing the title of the fastest solar-powered race car over 1,000 kilometers, powered by a battery and solar panels mounted on its roof and hood. The EV went on a test truck where it ran 1,000 kilometers on a single charge in under 12 hours, reaching an average of 85 kilometers per hour. Designed and built by students, the car weighs just 500 kilograms, about 1/4 out of a Tesla. To reach this low-weight body, the team stripped off a host of features such as airbags and air conditioning systems. On top of that, Sunswift 7 features excellent efficiencies thanks to its aerodynamic design, the efficiency of the motors, and throughout the drivetrain, an impressive low rolling resistance. Bridgestone Airfree tires. Bridgestone and IT Mitsukosen Company in Japan will test the former's airless tires in February 2023. Using a compact electric vehicle operated by the latter to see if the future of tire technology can rely on the resin spokes of bouncy tires that do not need to be inflated with air. The tires can be seen loaded with spokes inside their interior and a rubber lining for the exterior. When the tires will over rough and speed bumps, they follow the uneven curves, preventing the drivers from being launched off their seats when they ride too fast. The airless tires from Bridgestone aim to eliminate the need for tire management, especially with air pressure and having a popped one. As the tire manufacturer puts it, conventional tires are inflated with high-pressure air, which gives tires a spring-like function to support vehicle weight and absorb shock from the road surface, just like an inflated ball. YOYO. For the first time, technical data of the 750 kilograms light electric vehicle is now available. Accordingly, the 2.5 meters long, 1.5 meters wide, and almost 1.6 meters high mini electric car will have an electric motor with 7.5 kilowatts continuous output, with a peak output of up to 22 kilowatts being available for 30 seconds. The maximum speed is 70 kilometers per hour, so the YOYO is not suitable for motorways. The energy storage is a lithium-ion phosphate battery LiFePO4 with a capacity of 9.2 kilowatt-hours, which according to the manufacturer is sufficient for a range of 150 kilometers according to Urban Dynamometer driving schedule.